Good morning, traders. It is Wednesday. Market is about to open in 11 minutes. We had a pretty boring price action overnight, in my opinion. Look at the 60-minute chart here. It's been pretty flat. Let's do a straight line. Like we're still in this. I think at one point we'll break out of this little flag pattern here, and we will continue up. Whether that happens today, I don't know. So, when it comes to pivot points, we have we're above the, like these are all overlaying, but yeah, we have the normal R1 up here. I think that's a very decent target. If we break out 578, that would mean, yeah, we will be up here. I mean, if we hit the R1, which is well within of the acceptable daily range today, that will also be a breakout of this pattern, meaning that we will very well continue going to R2. As for dropping, yeah, we can go down here, the Fibonacci S1 on both the Fibonacci and the normal pivot point for the S1. It's down here at 346. I think, yeah, I don't really know which directions. It's been choppy in overnight. I don't see any indications of a trend day. I mean, we could still get it. Just because I don't see it don't mean it won't happen. In the end, we are guessing. We're trying to estimate, calculate probabilities. One thing I want to point out, the cash value of my account is a little bit lower than what it was when I ended the stream yesterday. I took an off-stream trade later in the day, and I was wrong. Got chopped up, and I took a loss on it. And then I just walked away. So we're down at 51,615. A little bit sad, but that is what it is. Today's a new day, new start, new opportunities. I am just looking to take quick scalps today. I don't see really any good patterns to break us out higher or break us out lower today. So we'll see what happens. In the end, it's about making money. Make money every day, is what they say. Done that so far, with the exception of yesterday. So still so far so good. Still very positive, very happy about how this evil have gone so far. How this experiment live streaming. I've been able to make money under the additional pressure of streaming. Yeah. Showing all my trades, showing them like on there how I execute, how I do that. That is an insane amount of pressure compared to how it is to take trades off stream. But I don't shy from a challenge. I like it. So for now I will continue. Market will open in about 8 minutes. So where are we? We are... I don't see any clear setups either way. Right now I don't see any clear setups. I would be inclined probably to take a short more than long, but I would need a pattern for it. I would need a pattern. Absolutely would need a pattern. Yeah, I don't like these when it's choppy like this. I don't like it like that one bit. Like, what do we have? This one's already breaking out, alright. Like, I don't know. There's really no trade for me in here. Gonna go back to the 2 minute. We'll see what market open gives. As of news today, there really isn't anything. Like at 9 AM there will be an FOMC member, Kashkari, who will speak. Don't know how much he'll be able to impact the market. Then at 9:30 we have crude oil inventories, and I'm talking Central Time. Yeah, 9:30 AM crude oil inventories. Not sure how much that will impact either. I'm gonna be done before that news is released anyway, so it's not gonna matter. Yeah, really just waiting for market to open here. See if we get a good setup. I mean, with sharpness like this, I'll be happy with a scalp for 5 handles. I'll be happy if that's what I get today. Let's see, we are dropping, coming down to... Still have a bit to go. 15 more handles to this. Yeah, so like the... Going a 5-minute shot, right? We see we have a little bit more range. What is this? Like going from 74 to 56, right? What's that? Like 20 point something. The 5-minute opening range candle can easily be like 50, 70 handles. So we'll see what happens at market open. Yeah, this is well within reach to take that. As for go down here, we very well could. If that happens though, I don't know what pattern we get then. We'll still... Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. Don't really like how the shots look today. There isn't too much for me to trade. But you never know. Suddenly market open comes and then the volatility creates a great setup. Like... We could rocket back up, hit in... Like, yeah, we could fly back up, hit into the EMA, hit into the VWAP, and then just push back down, right? But get a bear flag for that. That would be nice, because we have this. Like, that would be high, low, lower, high. No, sorry, high, high, lower, high, lower. Sorry, higher, high, lower, low. Lower high, and now we're getting a lower low, right? So price action here is telling us something, that we are... The price action is here telling us this is what we're in. Price just happened to bounce right through the line, but I don't think it's going to bounce. It may probably drop more. But this is what we're in right now. So yeah, I'm more inclined for a short. Let's see what happens. Regardless of what happens, there will be a setup. There will be a trade. Just need to find it. Yeah, the goal is today is just to make some money in the first 30 minutes of market open and then walk away for the rest of the day. That's what we want to do. Yeah, I am thinking more and more range day than what will be the range that we're in. What would that range be? Drawing tools, let's see if we can find a box here. Rectangle. So, something like this really is what I consider, but that's still pretty. 350. It's just that, well, it's really acceptable to be honest. And then inside over here, we will those will probably be the extremes. And I mean, we just see this here, right? So inside of this, where would our range be? Maybe something like this. That gives us nah, that's super tight. I would say let's have something like this. Let's have it to 90. And wherever this is 440. Okay, yeah. Let's see how that plays out. Make this bigger. Well, now I don't see bigger picture, but that's fine. We know what this is. That's what I'm thinking today as some kind of ranges. Like to, I really do. I don't see any patterns for us to kind of break out big today. But who knows? It's the market, and we're open. We are open. We bouncing? Yeah, we are. Let's have these orders hit the... Yeah, let's just clear out this order. Do I see any big orders hitting? Not really. Not on ES at least. I don't see any big orders hitting on ES. I'm gonna remove that and, well, I'll just keep it. Let's put it like this. It's really bad actually. No, let's keep it for here for now. So are we getting a bear flag is the question. If market open here creates a bear flag, that'd be beautiful. We did a gap fill. Price market opening down here. Well, did we a gap fill? Yeah, we did. We've done a gap fill just now with market open. Not that I 100% believe in a gap fill theory that says that every gap will be filled, but if you look at the charts, that's simply not true. There are many gaps that haven't been filled that are so far down that they will never be filled. But you can run statistics on it, like certain amount percentage of gaps will be filled. And yeah, there is something to it. We see it many times, like at market open, when they like price rallies, it hits the gap fill and then it reverses. We see that, but again, it's a probability move. You will need a setup though, and then use the gap fill as a target. Do something here. It's this hotkey. Okay, yeah, so we kind of filled 50%. This gets so noisy now, so hard to see, so let's not do that. We retraced 50%. That's nice. Super dirty candles though. Really, really dirty candles, but don't like this one bit. How much did I get on that? Oh, I got $100 on a quick super scalp there. Quick. I mean, it would have been much better off holding it, but really, really quick. That was $100 right there. That was literally a trade that lasted like just 1 or 2 seconds. Keeps going. This was such an ugly pattern. I did not trust it 1 second. So let's remove this a little bit to make it a little bit nicer. So what I took there was this. I talked about I want a bear flag coming up here, retesting the EMA, retesting this VWAP. But the way these candles look, they are not nice. But I mean, it's working great. But they don't look nice at all. Do we have a line here? I don't. Yes, we're not bouncing. We're bouncing, but not on a level. It's kind of bounce pattern I like, again, for quick scalps. Really like it. Like super quick trades, just like the one I just took. But it needs to happen at a level. If it don't happen at a level, then I don't want it.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and
so you go deeper in here, right? I'm getting more cautious of scalping short as we're lower into this side zone, because I don't expect us to go that much deeper. I think today will be a range day. It will stay inside this range. So that means that the further down here we go, the less likely it will be that I will take a short scalp, even if it's a scalp. And you can see we bounced out of this. We're going back into this boxed range here. We'll see now. We are going up here. Nice. We are back at the EMA. Pushing a little bit through it. Again, for a flag, it's not clean.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing.
Okay, let's pay attention here, because again we are rejecting at the EMA and VWAP in between there. So let's see how this plays out. But now I'm still looking at potential bear flag and not bull flag. Yeah, this is not a bull flag. This is bear flag. If it creates that, well, let's see. If we break above this orange line, I'll be more inclined to look for a bull flag and then take a scalp long. Price is really going. Really going. And hard rejection. What do we see? So on ES we had large sell orders happening there. Big sell orders. Yeah, the big orders today that I've seen on ES are a sell. Majority of them. But we'll see. There's always someone on the other side too. Let me get another trade in. Gonna wait and see until we get a setup. So if you're really good at reversal patterns, like a day to day, if this indeed is a range day, then scalping, trading the tops and bottoms of the range usually is a very solid strategy. But you need to be able to identify the reversal patterns when they happen. You need to be good at executing on them. But yeah, if you can do that, you're probably gonna do really well today. I have about 20 more minutes and then I have to call it. Or have to, then I will call it. Take this short. Instead of taking re-entry there, but I did not. Deciding to sit that one out, unfortunately, because it would have worked. It would have worked. So far today, I've captured 7.5 handles. And 2, both were really quick scalps. Yeah, I don't know why I hesitated. I don't know why I didn't take it, because that was pretty nice how we went back up and we retested that and then we pushed back down. I don't know why I hesitated on that, but I did. too late now anyway. Those things happens all the time. That's fine. It's not over yet. We have 16 more minutes. So there really is no correlation. There is no correlation now between ES and Q. Like ES set a new high a couple of minutes ago. Like ES set a new high of day, but Q did not. Yeah, just watching. See if I get another setup. So yeah, I don't at all expect us to get a trend day today. See no reason to that. I think today, yeah, just chop consolidation, range day. We are pushing further down. Which is nice. I mean, what did I say this morning? I said that I wanted, as we were coming down into market open, I said it would be nice to get a push up into this EMA and a VWAP, create a bear flag, and then push down in a range day. That's what happened. And I got 7.5 handles out of it. Ain't much, but it's something. It's something. It's green at least. That's all that matters. That it's green. That's all we want. It's another green day. Yeah, just gotta be patient. Not chasing anything. And as I said, the further, like, I think we can go really all the way down to the S1 here. Both Fibonacci and normal pivot point sitting in this area. It's a very good target. It's pretty still solid move down. Something like that. But as I said, like, the further down we go in this box, the less inclined I will be to short it. They say the trend is your friend, but if this is a range day, which I expect, shorting down here is suicide. So we are dropping, we are moving down here aggressively. Moving down very aggressive, very nice to see. Will it be a trade on the bounce? They say don't try to catch a falling knife, but is this a knife? They're moving with that aggressiveness. We see aggressive sell orders coming in. Don't. That's the thing. I don't see aggressive sell orders. Don't have a pattern to take this long. Okay, we may get a bear flag here. We may. Yeah, I am. I have no problem executing if I see a setup I like, but if I don't see a setup I like, I won't execute. Quick, quick. I was late. I was late. We must stop up. I should have just stopped out there. I should have just manually closed it out. This is not it. I'm out. That was not it. That was not the bounce. Looked like it for a second there, but it was not it. And just like that, we gave back what we made this morning. That is trading. But the day isn't over. The day is not over. And I did the right thing getting out, because if I had held it towards my stop, I would have been red right now. The moment you realize you're wrong in the trade, you have to man up and just cut it. You can't look at like, oh, but I can't take the loss. That's gonna change my day. It's gonna make it from a good day to a bad day. You can't think like that. If you're wrong, you cut it. That's just that. Get another gap fill right now. Don't know why I say that, because I don't fully believe in that, in a gap fill theory. Okay, so we are hitting the. Are we hitting a pivot point there? Why are they not showing that shot? Better are lining up like there. Interesting. Let's see if I'm wrong on a different shot there. Interesting. Oh. It was calculated differently, that's what, yeah. I was using intraday calculation. I like to have it on the daily calculation. That's why it was showing. Okay, that's good to know. That one is set that. Try a little shorter. This is a risky short here. But we have on the 1 minute we have a bear flag, and I'm taking it. And I'm back out. Just like that, I'm in the green again. Would have been more green if I held, but we are so close to this range. It's like that I drew. Do I want to hold to the end of it? Like, no. Would have been nice if we did, but hindsight is always 20/20. There is a Norwegian expression that says that it's better to have 1 bird in your hand than 10 on the roofs. Like, you gotta take your profits when you have them. Like, sure, I can be better at holding them. I am better at holding them when I trade off stream, not having the pressure, but this is something I want to put it like this. Trading when streaming, even if hardly any people watches, it adds such a pressure, and I grow on it as a trader. I learn to trade on a heavier pressure, which is exactly what I need right now, because I know that how I trade works is profitable. I have backtested it significantly. I've been successful with it for quite some time, and yeah, it's working. I'm making money on it. You can clearly see, like, we started this now Monday last week. Pretty much every day except yesterday has been a green day, and the account is slow and steady growing. I cut my trades before I have big losses. Like, I manage my risk. So I'm not gonna lose everything in a big trade just because stop is set immediate. Like, what is it, like 20 handles or something? That is just the immediate, like, that's not where I'll be stopped out. That is the hard stop if something goes wrong, like I disconnect from internet or something. I'm supposed to cut my trades way before that if they go against me, and that's what I do, like I did today. So someone showed me something interesting here. This is price action trading. I don't know. I haven't done enough studies on it. I don't know if I really, how much I believe in it or not. But if you do, right, will we break this? 283.5. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really trade that. That's not really my style of trading. It's kind of messed up things there. Let's. I mean, we have taken this with massive force. Yeah, this is interesting. I did not expect the trend there. I did really not expect that today. The 1 minute is showing a bounce pattern there. But I'll really good burn once on the bounce, and we're hitting 9 a.m. I'm gonna call it here, guys. I have things to do today. $105 green. It's something. Ain't much, but it's something. Appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.